Hi guys, it's Sunday morning and we were looking for a reason to make something special
So today we are going to make Obbatlu
or Puran Poli
or Holige.
or Boppatlu. Anything of great value and significance typically has many names in Indian culture. I think it's fair to call this the crown jewel of traditional southern sweets.
In our home, we make this for most of the festivals and it's a must for the new year. I have also had this in most of the South Indian weddings too.
It's made up of the basic four: a bean, fat, sweetener, and a grain. It's the process and the methods that works its magic to create this delicacy.
It is an elaborate process and we are going to go slow. In that way, I can explain all the tips and tricks that I have learned from my family over the years.
Do hit the like button and ring the bell for more updates. Share this with other sweet lovers and let us know what you think in the comment section below.
To prepare the dough, take half cup of fine soji or rava, quarter cup maida, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons oil and quarter cup of water in a bowl and combine well. Add some more water if needed and bring it to the shown consistency. See that there are no lumps. Do not knead. Submerge the dough in water and let it rest for 2.5 hours. In the meantime, let us prepare the stuffing. Take a thick bottomed vessel and add 4 cups of water, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ghee and 1 cup washed drained tur dal. Boil it for approximately 30 minutes or until it gets cooked on medium flame. Check if it is cooked. And drain the dal. You can use the broth to prepare rasam. Take cooked dal in a blender and add 1 cup jaggery, half cup grated coconut, 4 peeled cardamoms, 3/4 cup of water and blend it to a smooth paste. Add some more water if needed. Taste and add jaggery if needed. Take this ground paste in a thick bottomed pan and stir it often on medium flame for about 10 minutes. Bring it to the shown consistency. Do not brown. Keep it aside and allow it to cool. Now that the dough has rested for 2.5 hours, discard the water completely. Grease the hand with little oil and knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. And bring it to the shown consistency. Smear the dough with 3 teaspoons of oil. Holige can be prepared on silicone sheet or holige sheet. To prepare holige, roll the stuffing into balls. Grease the sheet with 1 teaspoon oil. Grease your palm with little oil and pinch small lemon-sized dough as shown. Do not tear the dough. Keep the dough covered to prevent drying. Flatten the dough a little and place the stuffing in the center. Wrap the stuffing with the dough as shown. Smoothen the joints. Place it on the greased sheet. Press the stuffing slowly with fingers from center to edge. Add little oil, cover it with a thick plastic sheet and spread the holige evenly by moving your hand in one direction. You can roll it with a rolling pin too. You can make it medium thick or thin. Remove the plastic sheet. Add half teaspoon of oil or melted ghee. Take the holige sheet and invert it on hot flat griddle. Detach the holige from the sheet with turner spatula. Cook it approximately for 2 minutes on medium flame and flip it. Cook for another minute and flip it back. Fold it and take it out. You can also cook on one side for softer holige. Enjoy this delicious holige with ghee or with milk. Stuffing can be prepared ahead of time. It can be stored in an airtight container for months by freezing it. It can be refrigerated for 2 days. Holige can be refrigerated for 4 days. It can be stored in an airtight container for months by freezing it.